In this video, we'll show you how you can use Chrome extensions on your Android phone. So unlike Google Chrome for desktop, Google Chrome for Android doesn't give you any options to add any extensions. So for this, you will need to use a browser that supports extensions. So there are several browsers that do that, such as Firefox, Microsoft Edge, and even Samsung Internet. So for instance, if you install Firefox and then tap on this three dot icon, you will see this extensions option. This will take you to the extensions menu where you can add the extensions that you want. So simply tap the plus icon and the extension will be added like so. Once the extension is added, you can tap the three dot icon, go to extensions, and you will see all your extensions here. So there are a few interesting ones like uBlock Origin, Privacy Badger, Dark Reader Mode, and even Keepa Price Tracker. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.